Happy holidays, my friends! I hope you are having a wonderful holidays with your friends or families. Today I want to share with you my teriyaki chicken leg. Japanese people eat chicken on Christmas Day like the Western countries. There are two types of chicken to choose from. One is KFC and the other is teriyaki chicken leg. We go to teriyaki this year. It couldn't be easier. And I want to share my easiest potato casserole to serve with chicken. This is my Christmas staple because I was extremely busy with the Christmas cake when I ran the pastry shop, so the easier the better at this time of the year, and it becomes my family tradition. Let's get started. First, let's make teriyaki marinade. I added just a little bit of red miso to give a teriyaki deeper flavor and color. It's optional, so you can skip if you don't have it. And add a lot of ginger to enhance the flavor. Let it marinate for 2 hours to overnight in the fridge. Today I've marinated for 3 hours. Take it out from the bag and pop in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It's easy to burn, so keep your eye on it for the last 5 minutes. You can brush the marinade before finish roasting. While making the chicken, let's prepare the easiest potato casserole. I don't have exact measurement for this. I always eyeball it, but today I have about half a pound of potato. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper and half a cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Submerge the potato in the liquid and pop it in the oven side by side to the chicken and bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. There you have it. Teriyaki chicken leg and the easiest potato casserole. The chicken is sweet and savory and is so succulent and so moist. Potato is flaky and so creamy. This is the taste of Christmas for me. I always serve it with rice salad. I don't know why, but we eat this menu on the Christmas Day. And of course, strawberry shortcake for the dessert. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!